Shosho bafethu uBoost Deep lona from Deep Movement. Ngivane out here Milano Bledsoe.
Shashoba Fit, this is Glad Soul from Deep Movement.
Yeah, well, the duo started a long time ago in 2013. So since sibambe kanjalo, bengipush it deep. Yena beka-push movement cause bekashaya ama-chords asoulful angithola. Plus nesidramu elimnandi kuyahanjwa. Mina ngifika nenye into sayi-arrange sagogota saphambili. The name besilokhu sipusha vele ama-mixtape yabona. So besithanda very deep. Siyi-change sifaka ama-acapella silokhu angithola simixa ne-movement kusho ukuthi ilokhu ihamba as i-deep wise but movement. So sahlangana from la emagigini sayihlanganisa kwaba Boost Deep, Glad Soul, Deep Movement. Mfethu uyazi mfethu kusanokungahlangani saka ngithola. So manje kumele senzeni sibone ukuthi sihlanganisa kanjani. Ngapha ngiyaspana ngithola nini out-here nayo ibhizi nga-something else. So kumele besihlangana siyabona ukuthi ayizange ihlangane before, so lokhu siyaphusha sizama ukuyihlanganisa into esiphushisayo. Yo, ayisimamela abanye abantu mfethu abo-Sunradio. So manje amanye ama-inspiration kumele uyoshaya igogula ngithola uhlale phansi uyi-research lento esiyikhulumayo, but simamela abanye abantu abahlanyayo ku-Sunra mfethu.
Yeah, he's one of our inspirations, the great Sun Ra. He's a musical genius, one of the musical fathers. You just have to search him, Sun Ra. You'll get some good stuff.
So far appreciate collaboration, I like us, but so far no. Well, Ulizo and
Only you. And then Angeke Ngiphinde.
yeah, angeke ngiphinde is number one. Yeah, angeke ngiphinde. Only you, Ulizo. So far mfana music waseKasi insembu kakhulu, music wase-South Africa uyashisa, wonke ama-genre ayashisa ase-South Africa wonke, ayikho engazathi isilonyana, but yabo sekufika ama-AI labantwana sebashadize manje sazi icula ini yabo, mara production South Africa wonke ama-genre. So far mfethu ukuthi nje siphushe lama-gig lawa angithola, siphushe ama-gig senzeni mntwana.
And another thing, is to get Deep Movement basically out there, and just to push our brand. As now we even have a sound system that you can hire us. Like if you want Deep Movement, there's a full package. Can come with the sound, everything, roof a full 100% set, bring you some other entertainers that we collaborate with, that we have partnerships with under the Deep Movement. You understand me? So that's what we're all about now. For me, it was a song called House According to Jazz by Deep Escape. Yeah, I felt like I wish that song was mine. Yeah, I feel like that song was mine. Like I just produced the song still. Yeah.
The Deep House album, Trip to Chicago. Trip to Chicago is on the way. We're still busy with that thing.
Yeah, we're still busy with that. That's what's on the way, and just getting Deep Movement out there, you see. Because now we're on a mission to push Deep Movement international. and we are coming nice. We are coming nice. Thank you.
Bafethu, asinga-give up. Slow motion is better than no motion. So asincengene, singabheki amanamba, singabheki ukuthi ubani wenzani. Push into yakho.
Yeah, one of the days that just what my brother said, push deep is that dog. You need to push you. Stop trying to be like someone else, guys. Let's push our side, our sound, and stop living off a side. A life of expensing and let's push the music and push the talent. Yeah, guys.
There's a Deep Movement page on Facebook, and there's a Deep Movement page on YouTube. So it's Deep Movement, all the platforms.